Hey YouTube, coming to you today with 12 work from home, make money online in 2019. Number one is called Floom, Floom. If you want to make to up to $25,000 a year, you can sign up for this today because they're hiring. But it's called customer service associate. You must deliver the best in class customer service with empathy, timeless, and transparency. Startup experience A plus. If you're a go-getter, this job is definitely for you. And the good thing is that you can work from home, but it's based in California. But you know what? People need to work in California too. They need work from home jobs. So I'm going to give it all to you. Whatever I find and it's online, and don't necessarily have to be in New York. Okay, so number two is cover to cover bookkeeping and consulting in Calabas, California. Part-time bookkeeper, $20 to $25 an hour. That's pretty awesome. 1 year of bookkeeping experience, bank conciliation, payroll over the phone. You're going to be basically doing inbound, outbound calls over the phone. Must have experience in bookkeeping. You got experience in bookkeeping? This job is definitely for you. Number three is called night dispatch. It's a freight dispatcher. That's going to be your role. $495 a week. Check that out. Inbound and outbound call handling, sending and responding by email to the customers. And you only need 1 year of dispatch experience. That's pretty cool. $495 a week just for being a night dispatcher is awesome. Number four is called Meds Trans Incorporated. Entry-level medical transcriptionist. You must be a self-starter who is highly motivated, focused, and disciplined. Must have a good organizational skill. High school diploma needed, and you must pass a general aptitude test. Being that, is an entry level, they want to test you. You're going to get a little test, and then they're going to just see how you go from there. And if you pass a small aptitude test, you get hired because they're hiring now. Okay, that was number four. Number five is called TruGreen. TruGreen. And this is in Memphis, Tennessee. You're going to be a call center rep. That's going to be your job role. Full-time position. You will be responsible for selling their programs and services over the phone to current and prospective customers through inbound and outbound calls via telephone and or digital channels, live channel like live chat, in support of targeting marketing campaigns. So you're going to be basically selling their products and trying to get new customers for their program. Competitive hourly pay, and all you need for this job is your GED. Number six is called Uhaul. Everybody's familiar with that. Uhaul International in Phoenix, Arizona. As a customer service rep, $14 to $18 an hour. Basically, you're going to be answering incoming calls and provide technical support and assist with regards to the truck and trailer rentals, like the U-Haul trucks. Like the U-Haul rentals, you're going to be making high hitch products, like selling the products over the phone. So you're basically going to be answering incoming calls and provide technical support and assistance with regard to the truck and trailer rentals. And you have vision plan, dental, and you also can get a retirement savings, a 401k after 90 days. If you work for them after 90 days, the 401k automatically kicks in. How awesome is that? And the number 7 is U.S. Department of Commerce. But you must only reside in the New York County. Office manager, $42.50 an hour. Inbound and outbound calls. Work in the home or their office. It's your choice. You see, these days people have a choice from either working from home or working in the office. It's totally up to you, whatever your preference is. You must have your bachelor's degree in office managing an office manager. Number 8 is retirement assistant in New York. You're going to be an appointment setter. You can get paid up to $25 for each appointment you set up. For each appointment you set up, you will get $25. If you set up 4 appointments, you will get $100. No, sorry. If you set up 25, you want to get $100. That's not too bad, right? 25 times 4 is 100. You set up 8, you get 200. So for every appointment, appointment you set up and it gets through, you get $25. Plus you get commission. How awesome is that? You get commission plus $25 for each appointment you set up, and all you need is a GED or the equivalency to a GED. That's pretty cool. Number 9 is called Palms for Life. Palms for Life Fund in New York City. Social media intern at Family is a non-profit organization. You will get $100 stipend just for joining, and you must possess excellent writing skills. That's all they need for you to write down stuff. High school equivalency preferred. You're going to get $100 stipend. So that's some passive income. You know, it is what it is. So number 10 is Accuity Delivery Systems, New York City. Inpatient coordinator. You want to be an inpatient coordinator. You got to adhere to and then maintain required levels of performance in both coding accuracy and productivity. Must be able to accept coaching, training, and education on a routine basis. So they want to train you, make sure you're knowing what you're doing. So if you're comfortable with them coaching you, training you like every couple of months, then this job is for you. And you must have 3 years of inpatient medical coding experience in the hospital. So if you have experience in medical coding, working in the hospital, this job is for you. Number 11 is called Real Estate Team at Compass, New York City. Inside sales, $18 to $21 an hour. You're going to be doing outbound calls, email communication, coordinating, and scheduling appointments. So that's all you're going to be doing. You need 1 year of cold calling. If you're familiar with the cold calling, then that's all they want. 1 year experience is a minimum. And you got to have a passion for selling. If you have a passion for selling, this job is for you. Okay? But number 12 is a plus. A plus is home care on-call coordinator. In short, patients receive any issues that may arise regarding patients or the aides. If they're going to call you, whoever's going to call you on the phone, and if they have any issues with the aides or the patients, you're going to be the one that they're going to call. And daily on-call reports. So you got to do daily on-call reports every day. You must have 1 year of care scheduling experience and must be able to speak English and Spanish. You can speak English and Spanish. This is for you, girl. Yeah, so those are the 12 that you could make money from home in 2019. And make sure you share this video. Share the video. And if you want to start your own web host, like your own website, or you want your own, or you would like your own blog, which is very popular right now, you sign up at Bluehost. I will put the link on the bottom. You sign up at Bluehost. And for you signing up today, I, Joanne, will get a small commission for you supporting my channel. So if you go to the website and you say, I want to start up my blog, or I want to start up my own website, sign up using my affiliate link, and you will get an awesome experience signing up with web hosting from Bluehost. It's a web hosting company and it's magic. I think it's like maybe $3 a month. How awesome is that? You pay $2.95, $3 a month for your own blog, to start your own blog, or to have your own website, to do whatever you want on that website. And it's $3. You know how awesome is that? So with that being said, make sure you share this video. Share the video. Because you never know. Somebody might need a job from home, work from home. And this might be the one. Somebody probably want to make like $21 an hour working at real estate team at Compass in New York. We never know. But if you share the video, you can share the video. Twitter, you can share the video to Facebook, all the social networks that you are from or that you have. Share my video, and maybe that will help somebody. You know, we can all help somebody, all get paid, make some money in the 2019, and you know, and like, just make sure you don't forget, y'all, to hit that like right here and the subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit that big like button. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss nothing that I do every week. I do fresh videos every week. I bring all this information for you. You will not find a committed person like me. Because all I do, work from home, online, data entry, and I do the real stuff. You don't miss nothing. And I do my research, write it down. All the jobs I go on. Indeed, I go career builders, Monster. I find all the jobs, and what I do, bring them to my channel, so you, the one that subscribed to my channel, be the first one to get notified, so you don't miss nothing that I do. You know, so you can share the video, you can keep it for yourself and help yourself out. It's all good, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, so you be the first one, very first, to get notified, and you can make your money working from home. That's it for me. Sign out, say thank you. Coming to my channel. I appreciate you. And be safe in these streets. And make sure you sign up for one of these jobs. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye-bye.